guarantee you I'm never going to get it back in this bag. Okay, ran into my first problem. The instructions say to do like a normal tent to like the letter X, right? And then you put the gray bar, which is that one, toward the front. But there's a problem. You can't run the second X because there's a goddamn grommet right in the fucking middle of it. So unless there's two small ones that I don't see, something's very wrong here. Alright, it seems that I'm a little short here. There's a gap. So I'm going to attempt to see if there's a way to move it forward at all. And if not, well, it's not horrible the way it sets. Alright, let's see if it's puppy approved. Come on. Oh. Yeah, this bed is really metally. Come here. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but she's like, meh. Oh, it's really friggin' hot in here. All it's missing is the air mattress and the air conditioner. It'd be nice if the truck had a back window. I could open that mirror, that thing, and put a tube so I could run the truck at night. Let the air conditioner come up into this thing. But I don't have that kind of mirror. Come here, baby girl. Come on, little chick puppy. Oh. Alright. I like the way it came out. It's not a perfect fit, but it's pretty close. You can see that it's got, other than a little bit of drooping and overhang up in here, I still need to get some sealing spray, seal all the seams, and need colder weather because it's definitely too freaking hot. Alright guys, 8 out of 10. Have a good day. Actually, hold on. Let me open this window up. Yeah, without an air mattress or something to lay on, this would be murder trying to sleep in here. Okay, time to go get a twin mattress. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Let me lay in this thing. Oh, get in the center of it. And see where my feet end up. About a foot from the end. Hey, puppy. Puppy approves. All right, guys. Have a good day.